You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Italian priest. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, more religious Catholic names, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more Italian Dominican friar and priest. Saint Thomas Aquinas, that's the English pronunciation. Aquinas would be the Italian pronunciation. Aquinas, but in English, Aquinas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.